Making a master plan it's a lengthy process. So it takes 1 or 2 years, depending on the city or the town that's covered. So the towns we are covering, they're small towns, and the population is usually between 15 to 30,000, or like one of the towns has a population of 50,000. So these are not big cities. So the process first involves that we need to first go through the secondary data, whatever is available on the internet, and try to understand what this place is all about and what are the challenges or the potentials there. And then we go there and conduct certain surveys in terms of household survey of a certain selected sample of around 200, 300 households. We recruit people. So for each town, a team of around 8 to 10 people is recruited for doing these surveys: household survey, transport survey, and other types of surveys are also done, land use survey. And then the most important part is going and talking to the government officials there, who are right now working in different sectors and different departments in these towns. So we go and talk to the people, officials of the municipal board, the development authorities, town planning department, rural development, agriculture, whatever, other departments also. So from their inputs, from the data they give us around, we try to understand how that town developed over the last 20, 30 years, and what are the challenges, what would be the future population projected there, and how the economy of the town can be boosted, what are the infrastructure requirements in terms of water supply, sewerage, sanitation, solid waste management. So all these things are covered, and then we come up with the proposals. Especially, we give proposals on the map, like structural measures and non-structural measures in terms of policy, to try and give a boost to the economy of the town, and any other challenges in terms of infrastructure and also governance.